Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rahul Reddy, consultant andrologist from Androcare Andrology Institute, Hyderabad. Today we will discuss about piezo wave therapy, a new treatment modality for patients suffering with prostatitis. There are so many people suffering with prostatitis, which is infection in the prostate gland. This is not enlargement, but it is infection in the prostate gland. So these prostate infection patients, they will have urinary problems, testicular pain, pain in the penis, pain in the perineum, vague pains all over the pelvis. That is why this is called as CPPS, chronic pelvic pain syndrome. So now there are very few treatment modalities for this prostatitis. So one common modality which is being used for many years is long-term antibiotic therapy. So what happens is, whenever there is infection in the prostate, these patients have to take long-term antibiotics. So now, but what happens when they take long-term? Why they have to take long-term antibiotics is, this prostate gland itself has less blood supply, but when it is infected, it has further less blood supply. So now when you take an antibiotic, any infection in the body, when you take an antibiotic, this antibiotic should reach the target area and should kill the bacteria and should help in healing process. Here what happens is, since the blood supply in the prostate is less because of the infection, whatever medication you take, it may not reach the prostate gland. So since it is not reaching, these medications may not work. So there is a study which says that even after starting antibiotics for 10 days, first 10 days, this antibiotic may not reach the prostate gland at all. So you have to give any antibiotic you take for prostate infection, it should be more than 2 weeks. So now when you take an antibiotic for long term, there are side effects. It can be gastric related side effects or other side effects. Now this treatment is an innovative treatment, and it helps these patients in treating prostatitis or seminal vasculitis without any side effect. Generally what it is recommended is, you need at least 8 sittings of shock wave therapy with 2000 shock waves every time. So it takes around 10 to 20 minutes for each session, and it's a OPD based procedure. It's painless. You can just go for this therapy in your break time and you can join your work again. It is totally painless and totally safe. So now what happens when you get shock waves? These shock waves are nothing but sound waves. They have anti-inflammatory effect, like the immediately pain relief will come immediately. And second thing, they will help in production of new blood vessels in the prostate. Once new blood vessels are formed, then whatever antibiotic you take that reaches the target area, or even natural protective mechanisms, body protective mechanism also helps in dealing with this infection. So it needs minimum 4 to 8 sittings. Generally 8 sittings is mandatory according to company guidelines, but we have seen improvement. Even mild infections, even 4 sittings we have seen improvement. So if you have further doubts regarding this therapy, piezo wave shock wave therapy, you can visit their website shockwavetherapy.info, or anyway we'll give links in the description. So if you have any doubts regarding this therapy, or if you have any doubts regarding men's health, please post it in comment section. We'll try to make a video on this. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye viewers.